In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube playback speed issues where you can't change the playback speed from normal. Some users who prefer watching videos at higher speeds are experiencing a problem whereby when you adjust the playback speed to, let's say, ×2, the video continues playing at normal speed. Now the same issue occurs if you try adjusting to a different playback speed, but no worries, I'll show you a quick fix for this. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more updates. To fix this, the first step is to open and play the video that you'd like to change the playback speed for. Now while the video is playing, pause it, then scroll to the bottom and navigate to the shorts section. So from here, you need to click on and play any random short for a few seconds. After that, go back to the other video that you had paused. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner, then select playback speed. And from here, select the playback speed to your preferred choice, and the video will be able to play at that speed. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and in case of any other updates, I'll keep you updated.